What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. We're on day 53 of this beginning 5K program. You guys are rocking it. You are superstars. Let's get moving. "52 days. This is amazing. You guys don't have much longer, only a couple more weeks, and you're going to have this 5K in the bag. We know you're going to do it. We're really proud of you. And I'm just going to hand you right over to Coach Robin, and she's going to show you the next workout. Here she is.
Hello, running friends. It is Thursday, and that means another run day, and I am so pumped up for this. I got my hydration with me. I just got my mood right. My mind is in the right place, and that's really, really important. So we are doing 2 miles again today. We did 2 miles 2 days ago, and that's what we're going to do today. That should be easy peasy for us. We have a pump-up day on Saturday, so no fear. We're going to get there. You guys are doing great. I'm really, really excited for you. So let's get this going. I'm going to do my warm-up. I'm going to run. I'm going to cool down, and then I'll come back to you. Wow, that was really, really good. 2 miles, felt like nothing after doing 2.5 the other day. So I know it's getting easier and easier and easier, but that doesn't mean every day is going to be easy. I get it. You might have a bad day now and then. We all do. It's just part of it. So we just wipe that day away and we keep moving forward. So tomorrow is a rest day, and that's Friday, and I'll come at you and we'll see what's going on tomorrow. But right now, good job today, getting it done. Really, really proud of you. And I will check in with you tomorrow to see what's up. And then we're going to gear up for Saturday, where we go back up to 2.5 miles. So I will see you tomorrow.
So all I could say is awesome, awesome, awesome. You guys rock. I mean, you really do. You are kicking this 5K's butt. That's what you're doing. You are rocking it. So we're really proud of you guys. And if you like this program, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel. And if you know anybody who can use this program, which I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who can benefit from this 5K program, just like you are. Make sure that you share that with them so they can join the fun and get on board. And we will see you tomorrow, day 53. It's counting down. Only 70 days in total, so we're almost there. Have a good one, everybody. See you later.